My name is Theresa Hadaway. I first came to NSI in February of 2017. I saw an ad on Facebook about stem cell knee replacement, or to avoid knee replacement, and I had been having knee pain for 5 to 6 years. Having my own business and not having very good health insurance, trying to treat myself, taking 15 to 20 Advil a day or more. I do own a scuba shop and I'm a scuba instructor, so my job is fairly physical. So it was getting very hard to do my job and just not being in pain constantly. So I came to NSI, met with Dr. Edgerton, and decided to go ahead with the treatment. Had the stem cell replacement February 2017. Went back to work the very next day, almost pain-free. I couldn't believe the result I had. Also, with Dr. Edgerton's help and with a diet, I lost 65 pounds. And I've kept that off now for over a year, and my health has just gotten better and better. Some blood work I'd had done previously. I was pre-diabetic. My last checkup, my A1C has dropped to a 3.5, off total blood pressure medications and feeling great.